Week 3, Fast 9, here on set. We've got a lot of the original cast here, including Oscar winners like Charlize Theron and Helen Mirren. A few new surprises, including John Cena, who I believe is going to completely shine in this movie. I'm looking out today. I'm in London. I filmed Fast 6 in London. I'm so lucky that my job has allowed me to travel all over the world. I filmed in the Middle East. I've filmed in the Sahara. I filmed all over Canada, all over Europe, all over America. I filmed in Cape Town just last year, Africa, life-changing experience. I filmed in the favelas in Rio and the barrios in Puerto Rico and in the Dominican Republic. Speaking of which, never let anyone tell you that people in the Dominican Republic aren't magical, wonderful people. I love that country, and I will always love that country.